This is the most common places for my cone flowers, mullein, to come up, is in an area where it just gets a little bit of sunlight. It's over in the wooded area, but we had to cut a couple of trees and it opened up the canopy, and so we got some, it's growing out pretty good. It's amazing what happens when you put a little bit of sunlight to the ground. New trees will sprout, new weeds will sprout, and grasses will come up, but it has to have a balance. And balance is what I'm trying desperately to find on the farm.